Hi guys, this is Satish. So hope you have enjoyed the series 1. So in the series 2, we are going to talk about the registration to CMA. So directly we'll go to the facts about the CMA course. So with the globalization of all economic activities, need of cost accountant and the management accountant profession is the important aspect. So CMAs provide services in investment planning, profit planning, project management, etc. Many members of the ICMA are holding top management positions like chairman, CEO, or CFO, followed by the managing director, finance director, financial controller, chief accountant, followed by the cost controller, to name few. So we also have the specialized knowledge and skill of the professional members of the institute, or having given due recognition for different audit or certification work under different statutes like maintenance of cost accounting records, cost audit under section 148 of the Companies Act 2013, and the valuation audit. So this is one of the important point. However, CMAs have a leading and important role to play in the GST era. So advisory services like impact study, contract review, impact on pricing model, so business structure revamping, SCM, etc., which also includes various GST filing. So I just listed few of the important facts about the CMA course, but however you will have many other facts which you will be knowing as and when you progress in your CMA career or during your CMA student's journey. So the scope of CMA. So this is the important question many of the aspiring or a budding CMS will have. Okay. So scope in practice, we also have scope in the job. So let's see what are the scope in practice. So in case if you choose to be in a practice like in cost auditor, cost auditor, cost and management auditor, you can have a lot of opportunities under this option. So maintenance of cost records and cost audit under Companies Act 2013. So you also have a certification of various which you need to certify various forms in Director General of Foreign Trade under the MCI. So empanelment as auditors in West Bengal Cooperative Society. So stock concurrent and due diligence audit of various banks. Remember, lot of opportunities under this area. So special audit under Customs Act 1962. So various other certifications wherein you need to certify under exam and other um, important acts in the Indian context. So tax consultancy, you can work as a tax consultant service also. So project management consultancy services can also be given by cost and management accountant. So if in case if you choose to be in a job after your CMA course, there are a lot of opportunities guys, massive opportunities which I can say. It all depends on your interest, it all depends on the planning what you guys do. Okay, so completing CMA course is not a miracle one. After completing your CMA course, how you encash, how you capitalize that course to build your career is the key one. So there are a lot of opportunities. So you will have a lot of opportunities in the MLC, multinational companies, multi-limited companies. There are also a lot of opportunities in the manufacturing sectors as well as the service sector. Okay, so if in case if you want to know the difference between job versus practice, so I also will be making another videos as part of this series. Yeah. So eligibility to CMA foundation. So as you guys already know, so we have 3 levels, which is the foundation level, intermediate 1 followed by intermediate 2. So we also have final 3 and final 4. Yeah. So to enroll to the CMA foundation, so you need to ensure that you have completed your 10th or equivalent from a recognized board or the institute. So you should have passed the senior secondary school examination under 10+2 scheme. Okay, so we also need, or you should have passed your national diploma in commerce examination conducted by AICTE or any other state board of technical education under the authority of the said all India Council. So all India Council or the Diploma in Rural Service examination conducted by the National Council of Higher Education. Okay, so I just given the flow chart on the right hand side. So just for your understanding purpose. So hope you understood the eligibility for the CMA foundation level enrollment. So in case if you need to enroll for the CMA intermediate level, so you should have passed your degree from a recognized university or you should have pursuing or pursued engineering at least second year course or past engineering already mentioned. So any other degrees other than music, dancing, photography, painting or sculptures and the alike. So you should have also passed any other degrees other than these areas as I already said. So you should have passed the foundation level conducted by the ICSI, so or the intermediate level conducted by the ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So ICSI is Institute of Company Secretaries of India, or you should have passed the foundation level conducted by the ICMAI, that is our institute. So this is the direct entry. You can enroll to the CMA intermediate level, so you will get an exemption to the foundation level. So again flowchart I have given here, so hope that will be helpful for you. So let's go to the final level enrollment. So you have only two options, I mean you have only one option to go to the final level, which is pass the intermediate level conducted by the ICMAI. So you do not have direct entry to the final level. So enroll to the final level, then you can qualify as a CMA after your completion of your final level. Okay, so the fee structure for your information purpose, this is the latest fee structure which I just taken from the institute website. So this keep changing from time to time. However, you need to ensure that you check the fee structure, that is the latest fee structure in the institute's portal. So foundation level you need to pay 4,000 registration fees. So intermediate 1 or 2 you need to pay 20,000. So for final level you need to pay the 17,000. So remember this is only the registration fees, one-time registration fees. However, your examination fees and other exemptions or any other fees depends on the things which you are taking from the services which you are taking from the institute. Yeah. Okay, so key points to remember. Remember the last date for enrollment for the CMA course is 31st January of the same financial year for the upcoming June term. So if in case if you want to write your examination in the December term, 31st July is the same calendar year. Okay, so however, remember there will be an extension timeline which institute gives for the benefits of the students from time to time. So however, you need to check those things in the institute portal when you're registering for the course. Yeah, so if you have previously passed in any of the CMA syllabus, do contact institute, do contact institute for the exemption. So there are students who might have completed some of the subjects or got some exemptions or completed some of the levels, might be intermediate 1, 2, foundation or whatever it is. So previous syllabus would have not had many other advancements which the current syllabus will have, but however to get the exemption you need to get in touch with the institute. Yeah, so final course students should undergo coaching, industry oriented training program as well as the practical training, which is very important from associate member point of view. So in case if you want to enroll for a membership, you need to ensure you are undergone all this kind of training. So next is specially able students are eligible for 40% fee refund. So there is a 40% of fees refund which institute provides for the especially abled students. However, you need to provide many of the documents to get this benefit or the facility. So institute provides financial assistance to economically challenged come meritorious students. So in case if you have financially disturbed and unable to enroll for the course, however you will get a lot of benefits from the institute, which again you need to get in touch with the institute. Okay, so for more information you can log into this ICMA.in portal, go to students section, followed by online services and the online admission for the admission purpose. So however I also will be discussing about the practical training in the upcoming series. Okay, so this is a series 2 guys, hope you enjoyed. I think the video would have become little lengthy considering the important aspects whatever we discussed here. So hope this will be helpful for you. So let's meet with the new topic in the new series. So see you, check out Satish signing off for the day. Bye bye.